Tornado warning! Oh, it's flash flood warning, never mind.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flash flood warning for North Central Ocean County until 9:45 p.m. At 5:38 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated very heavy rain from a thunderstorm over North Central Ocean County. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Castile, Jackson, and Jackson's Mills. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warning area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions.